And now we're gonna be cutting into my carbon hood. It's gonna be scary, but
what you gonna do, bro? You want a nice car? You gotta do some painful things.
Some sketchy shit.
Gotta do some sketchy shit.
But let's get to it.
You got the 540 here. Spray it down.
Yeah.
Get some filthy.
Yeah, I'm thinking these two screws right here will come up right over here to the ground, this area. Hopefully it doesn't actually fuck. Let's see, where would it go, eh?
Yeah, no, it's not gonna work.
Yeah.
It's gonna be like right there and there.
Okay. There's also this place right here.
Yeah.
Oh, the other side's kind of hard to fucking get to actually flip out over here.
Yeah, the only thing
Alright, so maybe those two in the middle might not be the best to put the latches on, so we're just thinking maybe somewhere around here. We're going to take off the covers and try to find the best spot on this this little curve for the headlight.
we're gonna hold this here and just boom, slam it through, and it should pop out where we want it to.
This guy just... Yo, you put toothpaste and find the mark that toothpaste hits.
Or we can do that. Whatever one works better.
Fucking savage, bro.
But, yeah, end of the day, it's gonna get done. So one way or another, you're gonna have hood latches by the end of this video. I'll guarantee you that.
Alright, so we've relocated it again. I think over here is what we're gonna aim for. And kind of get the body line going over there. So we kind of did like it's clearly not that side, but technically it'll be going along that. It's gonna look pretty good. I have high hope for this. Pretty scared because we're cutting into carbon, but here goes nothing. Alright guys, I put some tape on each side where the latches would be going. Now what we're going to do is put a little bit of grease on the tip of this and screw it in, and when we close the hood, basically this will show on the underside where it would hit. So I think it'll hit around somewhere here. Right, if you put it like, actually it might just replace this and have it hit like right like around here, and so that would be right on that green part. That crack is always there, so just don't mind that, but wish us luck. Very scary.
Still like solid. You have to really just drill through that.
Yeah, just drill through that, make a bigger hole. Alright, so we did end up going with the second largest. It did fit, we just got very scared and thought it was much bigger, but we're just pretty fucking stressed out. But yeah, the second largest was working. So instead of toothpaste, we just used cupcake icing. It was pretty delicious, but... So what we're gonna do is take off those two latches and then add our screws over there. Make sure the alignment is all the way flush so the hood sits completely against the frame of the car. And we'll see if we have to adjust the screws accordingly. But that way we'll make sure that it's flush and tight and snug even without these two latches.
Take two. Got a little more tape on it.
Oh my god.
Lower it.
Oh my god.
Yeah, through.
Alright, I'll send you the invoice.
Okay. I bumped it up a size or two. I don't know, maybe we'll do one. Yeah. Just because like it's not gonna go.
Well, that's working like a charm, eh?
Yeah, see
Like-
how it goes? A little more.
Just each end. Just all around. It needs to be longer for sure. Quite a bit. It might be the tape that's down, you know.
There it is.
It's like a light run through.
The hole's the right size.
Yeah. So we'll just have to cut in right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, that fits.
Six out.
Yeah, the filer was probably the best.
Pretty close, I would think.
Yeah.
Alright, every time we turn the camera on, it's getting a little bit better. Got the hinge in. Now it is. Simple as that. Just like that. Just like that. Okay.
That's it.
Technically, we should be able to put this one in now. Alright, every time we turn the camera on, it's getting a little bit better. Got the hinge in. Now it is. Simple as that. Just like that. Just like that. Okay.
That's it.
Technically, we should be able to put this one in now.
This should go Yeah, it definitely did look better without it, but I needed it.